How to share Google Tasks with others. In this video, I'll show you how to share Google Tasks with others. So to get started, you need to go ahead and open Google Chat. So there is no direct way for you to share your tasks with others on the Google Tasks application itself. You can only do that through Google Chat. So on Google Chat, click on this new chat button at the top left of your screen and then click on this create a space. Name this space and then set the logo and then click on that create button. Now in here, head over into the task tab and then that will take you into the section. So in this section, you'll find the shared tasks that anyone can set on your space. So in here, you can simply enter the task that you want to share with others. So you need to enter the title, detail, the due date, and the assignee of the task in the section. So you can basically just copy it from Google Tasks and then paste it in here. And that is how you can basically share Google Tasks with others. There is no direct way. You can only create each one of your Google Tasks that you want to share with others on the Task tab on the space that you have on Google Chat. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.